Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preserving what works. Backup or screenshot your current home screen so you can revert if needed. Once done, pick one clear aesthetic, minimal, pastel, retro, or monochrome, because consistency drives visual calm. Next, collect icons, widgets, and a single wallpaper that share a palette. This reduces decision fatigue. Make sure to limit your color count to 3 to 4 hues. Finally, clear seldom used apps into folders to create empty real estate for the new design. You now construct the layout with intent. Choose a grid, 3x4 or 4x5, based on your device and preferred icon size, because spacing defines rhythm. Once decided, place primary apps on the first screen and secondary ones in folders. Use widgets to break monotony and provide utility. Make sure widgets align with edges and neighboring icons for visual order. Test icon packs against the wallpaper to confirm contrast and legibility. If something reads poorly, adjust size or swap tones until it feels cohesive. You finish by refining spacing, motion, and microcopy. Remove redundant labels, reduce animation intensity, and ensure tap targets remain accessible. Once done, take a final screenshot and save an alternate layout so you can revert quickly if you change your mind. Make sure to test night and day modes. Adjust wallpaper brightness if clarity suffers. If icons clash with the background, desaturate or blur the wallpaper, or recolor icons slightly. This single troubleshooting move resolves most legibility and cohesion issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.